Today's lesson is Topic 5, Lesson 2. Our learning intention, I can use compatible numbers to estimate quotients. Our success criteria, I will be able to use a multiplication table for division and define estimate, compatible numbers, and rounding. A review of 5-1, divide by 10 and 100. If you had 450 divided by 5, you'd kind of put that 0 on hold like we did in multiplication and bring it to 45 divided by 5. 5 times what is 45? We know that that is 9. We have to put our 0 back onto our answer, so we would have 90 as our answer. Vocabulary. Estimate or estimation means about or approximate. It is not an exact number. Rounding is an estimate to a place value, usually to tens, hundreds, or thousands. Compatible numbers. Those are numbers that are close to a specific number, a number that you choose that you want to work with. A helpful reminder again, multiply it by 10, add a 0 to the end. So remember, if you have 450 times 5, we put that 0 on a hold, and we did 45 times 5. We came up with 225, and then we put the 0 back on the end. So 450 times 5 is 225 plus the 0, 2,250. You can use a multiplication chart to solve division. 450 divided by 5. If we remove that 0 again and we find just our 5 on the side, we're going to go across until we get to 45. Now that we're to 45, we look up and our answer was going to be in this top box now. So our answer would be 9. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. Then we need to put that 0 back on the end since we took it off, and it goes to 90. So let's use a multiplication chart to solve this division problem. 490 divided by 8. First, find the 8 on the side. Now you're going to the middle. You get to 48, look up at the top, and the number is 6. So 48 divided by 8 is 6. Replace that 0 that was in the original problem, and you have 480 divided by 8 is 60. So your answer is 490 divided by 8 is about 60. Where we used our compatible number is we didn't go to 49, we went to 48 instead because it's a number that is close to 49. So, first find the 8 on the side. Second, remove the 0. Now you find the number that is close to 49. On this chart, it was 48. It's close to 49, so that will be our compatible number. So the new equation we used was 48 divided by 8. Now you try it. Pause the video until you are ready to check your work. You should have found the 7 on the side, and then looked for a number that was close to 55. You'll notice 56 is the closest we could get. So our new equation would be 56, or 560, divided by 7 is 80. Our learning intention, I can use compatible numbers to estimate quotients. The success criteria was I will be able to use a multiplication table for division. Define estimate, compatible numbers, and rounding. Great job!